Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve one more question on 500 to 800 difficulty rating problem, which is subscription. Okay, so what this question is telling, so a new TV streaming service was recently started in Sheffland called the Chef TV. Okay, so a new TV streaming service has been started in a Sheffland called Chef TV. A group of friends in a Chefland want to buy Chef TV subscription. We know that 6 people can share Chef TV subscription. Okay, so there are n groups of people and 6 people can share the Chef TV subscription. The cost of one TV subscription is X price. Determine minimum number of cost that the group of n friends will incur to that everyone in a group is able to use Chef TV. Okay, so so here is you have to determine that the minimum number of total cost that require for group of n friend which will incur every group to be able to use Chef TV. Okay, so here is given a number of test cases T, which is number of test cases, and the first and only line of each test case is containing n and x. Okay, the size of a group and x is a price. Okay, so the size of group is 1 and x is 100. Okay, so you just have to determine minimum number of total cost that group will incur so that every group is able to use the shifting. Okay, so the first test case is 1, the n group is n, which is 1, and there is 100. So there is only one person in a group, therefore he will buy one subscription and the total cost will be 100. And for test cases 2, there are 12 people in a group, therefore they will have to buy two subscription. Okay, so there are 2 people, so they have to buy two subscription. Okay, two subscription, therefore total cost is 500. In a same way, there are 16 people, so there will be a group of, okay, so here is given that 6 people can share it. Okay, so if there is only one people and the price is 100, so one people has to pay 100. In the same way, if 12 people and the price is 250, so there is group of which is 6 plus 6, which is 12, so they have to buy two subscription. Okay, two subscription, and the cost of two subscription will 250 into 2, which is 500. In the same way, there is 16 people. If there is 16 people, then there is 6 plus 6 plus 6, I mean 12, 13, 14, 15, 2. Okay, so then it will be 14, and you have to make 3 subscription. So what is the cost of one is 135, then you just have to do 135 into 3. Okay, which will give 59. This is 405. Okay, so I hope you understand it what this question is telling. You just have to make group of 6 people, because there is given in this question that we know that the 6 people can share. We can share with the 6 people. Okay, so you have to first you have to take a division. Okay, int t and then c int t, while t minus minus is greater than 0, you just have to take int n comma x and then c in x. Okay, and then you have to so we will take the first you have to int t and then number of test cases you will take the input, and while t minus minus you just have to do int n and x, you have to take input n and x, and then subscription will be n plus 5 divided by 2, which will find the ceiling. Okay, ceiling, and then the total cost will be subscription into x, and you have to print the total cost. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.